Hey everybody, Marianne here from AMTS with a real quick tutorial on how you can change your license from one computer to another. Now, we have already created a rather detailed video on how you would want to back up, where you would place those files, etc. This is just going to be a real quick tutorial that will show you some of the neat features that frankly, Lynn and I probably are not aware VJ and Alex have even put into the program. So here I am on my home screen. Now, to get to that console, I come up here in the home, brings up this console, which is full of really great, easy click away type processes. But I want to go to View License Details. In this case, I am going to want to end the license on my old computer and transfer it to a new computer. So transfer license to a new computer. It gives me this dialog that warns me that I no longer will have a license here on this computer. I say okay. Provides me nicely with the information that I'm going to need to transfer that license. Gives me my license key, which I've blurred out, and my email address, which I've also blurred out. Then there's also this nifty little link that will give me a program download link that will allow me to go ahead and download that. Now, let's see what happens if I do that. It takes me right to this page and gives me the download amts.farm.cattle and small ruminants. So that's quite nice. You can copy this download link and put it into your new computer. I know that VJ and Alex probably created this with the idea that it would work really well for people who wanted to end the license on their old computer and move it to a new computer. But in reality, the way I stumbled across it was I was helping someone this morning who wanted to change their license. In their case, they were moving from an academic license, which was still active on their computer, to an actually purchased license, which had some different aspects to it. So they needed to put in a new license key. In my opinion, that's where this particular feature works especially nice, because when you click on this view license detail and you transfer license to a new computer, it actually provides you with the license details and the download link on your old computer. So moving to a new computer, you would need to note these things. But in this case, since I was changing my license key, I was easier able to deactivate since I didn't log into my dashboard to do this. So this is an alternative use for this particular functionality and what I was modeling this morning when I did the earlier video that made me find this. So heading back to my program, I'm going to just close out of this. And now I take that license key that was shown, this is on my new computer, take that license key that was shown, paste it here in the clipboard, and my email address, and then, important, click Activate License. If you don't do that, you'll not activate your license and you'll wonder why it's not working. So I do that. It tells me that I have successfully activated it and that I have one remaining license. So that's it. Hope this helps you.